Hi, I'm Jason Rubinoff, co-founder of HireAway. Welcome to beautiful Bacolod, Philippines.
What I like most about my job is that if I help a customer with their problem and it gets resolved, it makes them happy and it also makes me feel satisfied with my work.
I like most about Blue Mountain is that the trails, the views, and stress-free environment of the Collingwood, especially of the Blue Mountain.
One thing I really like most about the office is the friendly environment, because I can do whatever I want. I feel comfortable while I'm doing my work here.
What I like most about my job is when I see the smile on my clients' faces when I create a story for them.
Well, working with Sir Israel is very nice. He's been helpful. There are things that he wants me to do that I'm not really familiar with, but he really pushes me to my limits and he wants me to work very well.
The most rewarding part of my job is that when I get the satisfaction of my customers.